get started? All right. It's like here going to show you the new CryEngine 2. We have increased tremendously the view distance, whereas we had before like just maybe 1 kilometer or so, but now can make it up to 60 kilometer view distance. And resulting in this, we had to change our entire environment system. Now we have 3D clouds. You can really fly into them, and they will move in the sky and have a look like this. Also, we need to improve the time of day. We call it the time of day lighting system. So the sun position, everything changes based on predefined values. Let me show you this. It's like it's getting night. Those stars are calculated based on the real world stars. It's not a texture map and stuff like this. You can really zoom into them and see them glittering. So, resulting with the system, we had to change obviously from a dynamic. We had to change to a dynamic shadowing system. So if you look at the shadows, they get updated in real time. And there's no baked-in stuff anymore. It's all changing, and they are soft shadows. So obviously, have a look. Maybe here. So pretty detailed. So. We had it to be this way because of our destructible environments. We plan to have almost everything destroyable, but let me show you this. GIF all. The shadow will update. Yeah. So pretty amazing. No. Yeah. I make a little presentation how to build a little forest and basically how to populate it. It's like first of all you need to make the base color, and the base color also distributes little stuff. So if you paint grass, it will distribute grass. So the vegetation system is really helps you when building it. Let's place the actual trees. Yeah. And then you can arrange them, obviously, and stuff like this. So you can rotate them, shrink them, however you want to have it. Right? The same thing with the AI. You put in characters, AI enemies. You can immediately basically play your little setup here. Okay. My little forest fight is over now. Yeah. The same thing for, let's say, kind of vehicles. I'll let you first build a nice road. The road creation tools got implemented. Now it's easy to draw the roads on the terrain where you wanted to have it done. And implemented this nice function that you don't have to flatten the roads on your own. You simply press one button, it's like align to height map, and it makes them flat, so you don't need to worry about that. So and then again you can jump into it and basically see how your little section is playing. It's ramping pretty well. As I showed earlier here, we got now voxel terrain editing. With the voxels, they are not like ordinary height map that goes up and down. You can create overhangs and cliffs and caves like this. It's like pretty. Let me go into. It's again pretty easy to dig into terrain like a hole. Create some stuff. Now, let me show you a little bit about man-made structures creation. Our approach to this is like Lego blocks, more or less. We build certain elements in 3D Studio Max or Maya and then import it in here. And then the designers can basically place them, I want to 1, 2, 3, 4 of those types. And as you can see, we don't need to worry about shadows. These are all done in real time. And we also don't need anymore about creating portals because the blocks automatically cover the environment that you're behind. So it's a big time saver. Nobody needs to zone this off. It's automatically in good performance, I would call it. Yeah. And another benefit, of course, of the lighting system is that none of the shadows you need to calculate. They are all real-time lighting, and especially all the corners. All this is no shadow maps. It's all calculated in real time. No shadows. No.
Well, so I think what we're going to try and do is release the tool with the game into the community and just let the kids go wild, basically.
I can show more technical things, how to set up game logic and stuff like this. Maybe it might not show good on the video.
Yeah.
But
any last thing you want to show up on the video?
Yeah, maybe I show a little bit material editor. This is also quite stuff here. For example, here we get the integrated material editor. You can change, obviously, the textures and stuff like this. But what's really amazing is the changing of shaders in real time. For example, let me adjust the height here of the waves, and you can fine-tune how the reflection looks like here on the water, and really on every character you create the details in real time here and don't have to wait or ask somebody to write special shaders, because the shaders are adjustable here in real time.
You could make a decent fly sim with it, just as it is right now.
I would say that's basically covers it. Like this.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. All right.